presented by Mr. Naveen Sharma um, on a subject of decentralized ecosystem to protect the internet from DDoC, ransomware, and cyber attacks. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. My name is Naveen Sharma, and I'm founder and CTO of Internet of Trust Chain. Internet of Trust Chain is a L1 blockchain system. So I'm the founder and director of IOTrust Chain, and I started my career in internet and tech industry at late 90s. I started working at different positions like director, CTO, and founders of multiple tech organizations. I served a lot of leading companies that including top software companies that developed open source operating systems. I designed some AI-based systems for the leading insurance companies in America. And I also served a lot of education organizations that including top universities like Columbia, Stanford, and all such organizations. I also, in this era of cryptocurrency and blockchain, I started working early 2016-17. I managed one of the largest Bitcoin mining data center in North America. I also developed some crypto ATM machines for European customers. So coming up of the blockchain and this security system, I will like to show you a small video. But before that, I want to tell you that, okay, we can go ahead for the video first. It's a very small, funny video. And then we can discuss about it. Please. So basically, the video is funny, but the message that goes is not. That is a serious message that comes. See, this is all about security, and security, especially the cyber security, is a very serious point. There is no fun about it. So we at IOTrust Chain, what we are doing, we are trying to protect this global internet using the combination, the community-driven approach to protect the internet. And this is a real problem that I have seen in my own few companies that I was running. We face a lot of issues in data centers when there were a very big DDoS, that means denial of service attacks. That was not possible to solve easily by one of the largest security companies. So at that time, I decided to work on this concept. And that time, so I am basically a master in computer science, and I am a law graduate in cyber crime. But that time, I decided to work on more about the system, and I did my doctorate in internet security. So here is the concept. DDoS attacks actually can cause more than $100,000 per hour revenue loss. If you'll see, total 46% is from 21 to 22 year, there is a 46% of increase in the DDoS attacks. And that is going to cost, an average cost is $2.5 million or each attack. You'll see that 50% of the victims have seen another attack very soon. We'll go for the ransomware attacks in 2021. There were more than 305 million ransomware attacks. We'll see 80% of the total organizations have seen a ransomware attack in 2021. That is a total 20 billion revenue loss. FBI reported 2,084 reports of cyber attacks, and there is a 6 attacks in every 6 minutes. So what our approach is, we are developing a blockchain-based security system where we are trying to connect the internet users on data centers. So if you'll see, the normal protection system is how attacker is trying to attack, and the individual company is having very limited resources where they cannot protect themselves, and if they go to get some protection, it is a minimum monthly contract and a lot of fees. So what we come up with, we come up with an idea of community-driven protection and distributed resource sharing. It can be used to protect a DDoS attack of any size. Also, we are working on a globally distributed firewall system. And if you see here, in a normal scenario, individual organizations having their own security, third-party security system that can be any firewall or some AI-based systems. While what we are doing is a globally distributed firewall system, we are making a huge artificial intelligence pool where the different organizations, their devices get connected on a decentralized pool, and they can help each other on the protection. So this is something, an instant protection, and you can say, using the AI pool, we do not do the rework. So if there is an attack on a specific user, all other users, all other devices are now aware about the new type of attack. So here we are, one-stop solution is the decentralized community-driven multi-node platform with unlimited capacity of protection and by the access of unlimited data centers bandwidth. It's a real-time DDoS, ransomware and other attack protection irrespective of the size of attack, and also helps users to earn a steady revenue. A steady revenue they can earn by sharing their resources. It also leads to a new type of cloud system that is called extended cloud. The firewall, the basic benefits you'll see, it's instant protection of firewall, no need any software updates, and the updates are very, like, the communication is very fast. Like, we do in the Bitcoin transactions, the same way we are sharing the security information. Also, someone who is sharing the new type of attack and the protection information, they get benefits. We are also developing a Web3 development platform. This is a low-code, no-code platform. And we are also providing the option to convert the Web2 applications to Web3 applications. We also going to offer a backup and data protection solution for all the data that Web3 applications are going to develop on this platform. So these are the products we are offering. It's a IOTrust Chain is a ecosystem with a specific consensus that is called proof of intelligence. We are having a globally distributed firewall system that protects all the devices. It can be a data center, a small organization or big organization, or a mobile phone. IOP Shield to protect you from the DDoS attacks. IOTrust Chain, IOTrust Coin, a utility-based cryptocurrency that is backed by users. Coin for the use of all. And Extended Cloud is a Web3-enabled cloud service and management system. And then there is a Web3 development platform for low-code, no-code. These are some figures that we calculated, and that is by this source available. By 2026, total revenue of cloud is going to be $950 billion. DDoS market is going to be almost $7 billion. Firewall market is going to be almost $50 billion. And a Web 3 market, application market itself will be around $25 billion. So there are total almost 995 million users. They are using these crypto coin-based systems. And also, these are the figures about 83% growth in companies moving their workload in the cloud. So this is our journey, what we are planning. We are on already achieved 1 and 2. So community-driven DDoS protection system is already ready. And we are inviting people to sign up with us to protect the beta thing, to protect them. We are developing globally distributed firewall system. The basic firewall is ready. Web 3 extended cloud system will be there. We are developed at a later stage. Web 3 extended cloud development platform will done. And then we also prepare this data security system for Web 3 applications. This is our team, where I am the CTO and founder. Mr. Apur is a founder with me. Mr. Manish is a very innovation technologies. And Olga Fleming is our legal advisor. Georgie is a Forbes 30 under 30 finance guy who is taking care of the tokenomics and all economics, and few other friends. This is our competitive landscape, how we are getting the customer base and what type of target areas is there. So Chi, the Akamai and Cloudflare, they are the current provider for DDoS protection. Cisco, WatchGuard, Juniper, and these companies providing the firewall systems, and AWS, Google, and these are the hyperscalers that provide the cloud systems. I feel that the most of the ecosystem will be start using the IOTrust Chain as a better cost-effective solution and more secure. So we offer DDoS protection of any size of any attack, and this is a pay-as-you-go model only. So you are going to save a lot of money on it. Multi-point community-driven network where everyone can be earned and be safe. We having novel Web 3-based platform that is a patented technologies. We already applied for patent. With first mover advantage that we have no direct competitors. All in one place system providing multiple decentralized services like firewall, DDoS protection, and cloud system. This is our patent research. That is for DDoS protection, distributed firewall mechanism, Web 3-based, gas-free based blockchain system with a Web 3-based cloud platform and a development platform for distributed applications. These are our pillars that is ensuring us that we are going to be a successful business. Not only the business, but the community. You see, security system, real-time protection, extended cloud. You can say Uber of cloud, where the cloud data centers are going to provide the cloud in the community. Instant firewall protection and a low-code, no-code Web 3 platform. Recurring revenue base is the business, scalable business. Robust cash flow and effective user retention. The industries that we are using and we are focusing are very promising. We'll show Web 3 having a 43% growth, cyber security having almost 10% growth, DDoS protection 13% growth, public cloud having a 16%, while AI, ML is a 38-40% growth. No-code, low-code applications are very hot now, and they're having a 23% growth. So it's versatile, accessibility, developers deploying and securing dApps, corporate individuals access Web 3 and blockchain powered by cybersecurity systems, and our target market is every digital device allowing us to reach a larger worldwide audience. This is our tokenomics, how we are distributing the tokens, and at what time, what sort of raising we are doing. Thank you. So if someone having question, please.
Are you a blockchain protocol company?
Yes, so we are develop. Hello. Yeah, it's a layer one blockchain. So yeah, we are developing few new protocols, especially the consensus are little different. That is called proof of intelligence. So proof of intelligence is a new way of gathering the intelligence where devices and users are connecting with each other and they are sharing the important information to protect the world.
Is there any kind of an application running over that right now?
Say again?
Any application is running over on your protocol right now?
So this DDoS protection system is already running on the same protocol, and the firewalls we are developing that are going to run on the same protocol.
Okay. Are you open for any kind of a use case on the application if somebody approach or we approach you?
We are here. See, this is a community-based system where we are trying to protect the global internet, not only our data centers or the big companies, but your mobile phones and all IoT devices. So all the use cases are welcome. All the subject matters are expert to join us.
So we have got something on the sustainability and climate action. Will you look for some sort of a working together or getting into some sort of a application running on your protocol? We are working with multiple blockchains. So is there any way we can look into that?
So we can sit together after this event, like after 10 minutes, and we can discuss in detail.
Okay.
You are most welcome.
Thank you.
Hello. So I just want seen that you have university verticals you were showing in the first two slides. So what kind of use cases you have used in universities? It's kind of a platform you are providing to them, or any other products that have, or it's just kind of the presentation. So
So this is a
actually, we are looking for something kind of the platform for the educational systems where people can or students can access and do the practicing on that thing. So do you have that kind of any developed things, or do you have any use cases which is now currently working on?
So right now the blockchain and the security systems that we are offering, they are there. But the Web3 platform, development platform, we are already working on it, and then you can develop anything on it. And once more and more users, once we will launch the system, more and more users will be there. This is going to be anything you can develop.
Okay, but as such, no platform is developed for that, right?
So the blockchain is there. The two softwares that we developed is there. We are open to help others if they want to join us. We can help them to how they are going to use this platform to develop. But the development platform that we are planning is a Web3 development platform, no code, low code platform.
Okay.
That is what we are planning in a next phase.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you for the presentation. We'll now take a quick 3-minute break, and we're going to start with the next one. Thank you.